Here's the sharper image lightweight handheld vacuum. It has a crevice tool and storage dock with it. In It has two power modes. It's lightweight and compact, cordless cleaning, and again the two-in-one crevice tool and upholstery brush. That's it. Very self-explanatory. You don't need the manual to assemble it. When you get it out of the box, it will be easy for you to figure it out. The storage base is basically just where you put the vacuum. You do have the wire, the connector included. So if you there's that power button there and the two power modes. It's compact and it's really easy to put together. That's it. And then there's your brush. And this was a Target purchase. You'll just have to attach the crevice tool and the brush. And then you should be able to use it in corners or just cleaning up like a mess that you need to, like a spot mess. So this will be a great addition to your cleaning devices. You can use this in the car as well. So basically I'm using this in my car, but I'm just showing you quickly what it can do and how loud the vacuum is. It's got good reviews if you want to check it out, but here's the USB charger, so you do have that. It doesn't have the plug, the regular power plug, so you can use any of your USB plugs sitting around. It doesn't come with it. So this is the box that came with it. So check it out if you're looking into something like this. And that's just showing you like the wire connects to it, and then you can just disconnect the crevice tool once you're done, and then all you need to do is just attach it back to the base for storage. And then while sitting there, you can leave it to charge.